you guys starting yet? Come on. Temporary stupid setup. This tent is too small. We need to readjust. What's all these crap doing here? Oh man, I love these shoes. Let me know when we're rolling. That's what happens when you don't wear your freaking shoes. Assholes start to eject you. What? Stop by drinking water? What is it for? Oh, okay. Let me know. Mark it. This room is too dry. What is Ellie's toy doing here? What do you mean? You guys are moving on from my channel. You're going to her channel. Why? Because she's almost reaching 100 subscribers. But you guys signed a contract with me for another 5 years for my channel. You can't just leave me because my channel is a little bit slow in the last 2 months. Okay, so her channel went up, what, from 15 subscribers to now what, almost 100 subscribers in less than a week? But she's a baby! You guys are really leaving? But I thought you guys like shoes. Who's gonna, okay, you know what? Whatever, I can film this crap myself. I can do all this myself. Big deal. I mean, it's just my daughter. I'm a dad. I'm a dad now. I'm her dad. I shouldn't be jealous of her channel growing. Yeah, I know this is not for drinking. Daddy, don't cry. I am not sad. How's it feel to gain 10 subscribers every day, huh? Oh, you like it? You're making Daddy jealous. I'm gonna start putting my content in your channel because my content is dying for the last 2 months. I've been focusing on your channel. You know what? 50, 60, 70, 80, 99, going to hit 100 subscribers in like a week. I'm jealous. Why are you laughing? That's not funny. The Ellie Show versus @sneaker.clinic. What's so special about the Ellie Show? Daddy's not jealous.